Okay, next site we have here is called BuzzMath. This looks like it is geared more towards middle school because it says it's geared more to 6th through ninth grade. But it's aligned with the Common Core, and I think what looks pretty cool about this site is just the graphics and the interaction, engaging type of problems. You can see this is the full subscription. It says there is a free version. I'm sure it doesn't have nearly as many as these. $6.50 a student. That's, I guess, a little pricey. But anyway, looking at this video, kind of watched it already, and talks a little bit about what it
Doing math homework or independent
do,
practice can be challenging
and
for students.
Some of the key features it kind of talks about here. Talks about really just the dynamic interaction there is. It shows here a few problems where they are manipulating things on a graph pretty easily. They're categorizing. They are using number lines. So it really looks like the types of problems here you would see where students would be much more engaged than another, basic type of a situation where you're just getting problems out of a book, or even some of the other ones we've looked at. The graphics look pretty cool. You've got your feedback here when you check answer, which again is another huge feature that I know students like. You can retry another problem once you see if you got it right, got it wrong, want to try it again. It talks about developing algorithms from these problems, so some kind of a discovery learning type thing. You can also, with the full version, you can create reports. You can look at student progress pretty easily. So this is something that if you have the money to do it, it looks like it could be a pretty well, all-encompassing type of a program that I think that level 6th through 9th grade would really enjoy.
That's how you're doing it.
You have to do a video. I have to do 10 different content.
No, yeah, I understand that. But if I was watching that, I would have fallen asleep by now. Your voice is so monotone.
Oh, well, okay. Yeah, I try to change my inflection, but this is my ninth one. So I'm getting a little bit I'm getting kind of tired.
But when you, it happens all the time when you talk. You start so loud that you decrease so much when you talk, and then you go back loud again. It's just kind of a cycle kind of thing.
Yeah.
So I would just start.